This will be the second in a series of electrical practice problems. In this video, we'll be looking at a problem related to a series parallel circuit of a DC network. Once I am finished with this series of problems, I'll be posting them in my stand store at this web address. In this circuit, our task is to find currents I1, I2, and I0. If we combine the parallel 6K ohm and this 12K ohm resistors, we get 4K ohms, and the network is reduced to this. The current emanating from the source will split between two parallel paths, one of which goes through the 3K ohm resistor and the other goes through the series combination of the 2K and the 4K ohm resistors, which is I1. Applying current division, we get this, 3 milliamps for I1, which means that the rest of the source current, I2, must be 6 milliamps by Kirchhoff's current law. The circuit indicates that I1 is 3 milliamps will now be split between two parallel paths defined by the 6K ohm and the 12K ohm resistors. Applying current division again gives us I0 is equal to 1 milliamp. Likewise, the current in the 6K ohm resistors can be found by Kirchhoff's current law or current division to be 2 milliamps. Not that it was a requirement, but note that Kirchhoff's current law is satisfied at every node. This video is part of my electrical technical information series. In this series, I will be covering essential topics to help you understand electrical systems. These topics are small excerpts from my courses located in my stand store, which you can access by going to this web address. By going to this web address, you'll be asked for your name and email address. By submitting your email address, it will not be shared with anyone else or any other company, and it will allow me to periodically let you know when updates occur in these lessons. Here is just a sample of some of the reviews that I've received for my courses. As I said, this is just a sampling, and I will apologize in advance for the brief look at them, but you get the idea that the courses have been highly rated, most of them 4.5 to 5.0 out of 5 points.